Welcome back, guys. Sky21 channel, and what just happened?
I don't know. This happened.
Should we just start the game now, or what?
No, you be quiet.
Hey, did you watch one of my videos yet, or did you see any of my videos?
No, I'm on your channel page right now.
Hey, wait, is my page good so far? Because I have to try and upgrade it as best as possible.
I'm trying.
Oh, also, guys, if I didn't say before, welcome back to Sky21 channel, and I have no idea what just happened still, so, let's go. Let's just roll with it.
Oh, hey, Scarf, did you ever notice that on the Dead Space 2 cover, if you look closely enough at those blue things, you see Isaac's eyes?
You do?
Yeah, that was randomly.
I'm not gonna do that later, because that'll be weird for me.
If you look closely, you will see his eyes. Black site, black site. These guys all up my clear. Apparently.
Oh, they're probably in a party.
No, don't find them. No. That'd be too loud. You know, I'm so sorry. Where are you? I can't find you, Elias. There you are.
I see him. Hey, just an ODST. Nice.
Oh yeah, we have ODST in here.
Hopefully he's good. Okay, is this like a hive mind thing, or is it like just regular flood?
I don't know. I don't know where hide mine or regular flood.
Wait, how many times have you played flood?
Me?
Yeah, forget it.
Okay, they're in hide mind. Yeah. No, or regular.
No, regular.
Thank God. Thanks, Kyle.
Oh, I know this map. Oh, dang it. Oh, come on. I got killed right away as I spawned. Oh, that was unfair, dude. I got killed as I spawned, so now I'm a flood.
At least you're only non-human art in a game. Non-affected. I got affected by lag.
Yeah, same here. I just spawned, and then some guy was right next to me.
Killed me, basically.
Oh, come on, lag.
No, but they quit.
Pretty sure someone would quit with that lag.
It's just like being a host.
Oh yeah, also, well, whatever I just said a little while ago, and, I'm playing with Associated Worm and my friend Onslaught. Well, they're both my friends, but yeah.
Yeah, he's going on. I still didn't assassinate you, Elias. No, you didn't. That's a flood.
Hey, remember that time I assassinated both of you in a row? Yeah, I just assassinated you, and then I fell and assassinated someone else. So I was Onslaught.
I remember the time when you fell through the roof.
Yeah, then I shot you with a scatter shot, or whatever thing's called.
Okay, let's get started. Oh, you're gone. It's gone already.
This is taking so long. I probably will not edit this out, but people will skip at least 2 minutes, okay? Skip 2 minutes.
All the red, you know. Okay. Who's the boss back? And we're back.
No, I'm not. Oh, I am. Die! Teabag, aw. Hey, I teabagged you, Onslaught.
It's right there. I see Elias. Yes. Me. And my glorious bonus helmet. Yes.
What the crap?
Yes.
What? 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 Well, I'm recording this. I recorded that.
This is your last best day, Elias. Apparently, I managed to get everyone to think that I was the last man standing.
Well, I'm pretty sure you got the computer to think that you were.
Oh, yeah, I am.
I'm alive, Onslaught, you're dead. Aw, come on. Is that still there? Ah, crap.
A fully committed suicide. Oh yeah, first strike. A fully committed suicide.
It was there, right?
Okay, I saw a flood. Oh. I've killed 2 people so far.
Okay, just saying I have no idea what's going on because I have not spawned in yet, so I'll probably be last man standing. Hopefully I won't get swarmed like I always do. Crap, where am I? Where am I? Where am I? Oh, okay, I'm in a box.
I'm scared. Oh, sweet, double kill with flood. I'm infected.
Onslaught, you didn't see nothing. Onslaught, you didn't see nothing.
No, lag. Still lag.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. No one sees me.
Skywalk.
No one sees. Oh, fudge. Run, 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 run. No one sees me. No one sees me. Everyone sees me.
Oh, mention a clan. Mention our clan. We need.
Oh yeah. Also, this I don't know what your clan is.
Fate. Come on, Fate.
Yeah, the clan name is Fate. I'm in their clan. It's just that I'm a boss that I don't want my clan tag to be Fate. I'd rather have Dirk because I've Dirkman all day.
We need recruits. Whatever.
Yeah, well, I am the Spec Ops leader mainly because I'm awesome at scaring people.
Remember that. Yes, sir.
No, not this
Oh,
one.
you got Kimmy.
But still, remember that time when I killed every one of you and you just killed each other?
Uh-huh.
Why did you kill each other?
Where are you guys? I don't know. Over here, you human. Oh no.
Hey, who killed you?
Whoa, I had a heart attack.
You got the hot attack.
Lag gives you heart attacks.
I got you, Onslaught.
Oh, before dying.
I got you.
I just tried to die. Teabag him, teabag. That's amazing. I managed to get everybody to sing Battle of the Last Man Standing. The game told us, dude.
That was weird. I recorded that still. Still weird. And we've been recording for like 1 minute now. Not 7 minutes now. I suck at counting.
Look over. No. What's going on there? Sorry. Let's go to Team Action Sack.
Yeah, that's fun. I almost left the game.
Yeah, I nearly did that too.
Okay, well,
Oh my god, what is that?
okay, since, so, should we talk more about our clan, or what?
Yeah. I'm recruiter, basically, and boot camp leader.
No, actually, no, I should be the boot camp leader, because you can't do anything with the boot camp thing, you know, you can't do any maps, you can't, but let me be the boot camp leader and the Spec Ops guy.
And the founder and makes them founder and leader of Fate.
That's what Onslaught is.
Yes. And I am recruiter, basically.
Yes, except I'm the boot camp guy and the commando, because you can't put any maps up.
I think it's in armor. Oh, yeah. Or so. Yeah. Where is that piece? I am modeling. Champions. I'm not high rank because I did not play this game for a bit. I'm modeling some of the new armor from the Champions map pack. Champion.
Well, if you are, then actually show, because I'm putting it up right now.
I am right here right now.
No, dude, where's ODST armored?
Fine.
And Steph, using that stance, can you try the pistol stance that, you know, points the pistol at someone's face?
No, do the lookout stance, that's all. Fine. No, I'm gonna try to look at all the stances so much better. Like to look up there. No, I know a better one than those two. Oh, that's what I was thinking of. Never mind. Never mind. That's what I was thinking of.
It's saying your visor is yellow on my recording device right now.
It's because it's going to be black soon. That's how it works.
Also, it's probably gonna be gray in my recording device because I kind of messed up. I was messing around with all the buttons to see what it does, so I may or may not have done something.
That's not a good idea then. Okay, what are the ODST colors? What are ODST colors?
I think you're wearing it.
I think it's this one solid color. No, it's red, yeah. That's black. Red. Yeah. There you go. And no dances. I'm not into a female. Why would you do that? Oh, I know. Should I do loyalty? Oh, let's do loyalty.
What the? You know, I'm still recording that.
The character, it fits the character at least. Yeah.
Yes, it does.
Which one? Seasoned. Overall, yeah.
I'm pretty sure everyone's gonna be looking at you.
Me?
You know, with that thing you were just doing a little while ago.
I'm doing seasoned now. It's a classic.
Just saying your armor color is yellow for you right now. Like, it's black or gray and yellow, or white and yellow. Yeah, I messed up so much that everything's just super bright now. I messed everything on my settings up, so... Okay, guys, if you see it as, like, white and yellow, his actual color right now is black and red. I may or may not have messed up my camera. A lot.
How do you mess up the camera?
I clicked random buttons, okay?
Yeah, read the manual, man.
I don't read manuals, I go whatever I feel like doing. Like clicking random buttons.
You should read the manual when you're stuck.
Fine, I'll read the manuals later.
Like you're doing the tutorial in...
Yeah, actually, I didn't really do the tutorial Minecraft. I more like just did whatever.
Alias. It's laying down, looks half fat, half skinny.
Wait. Before you get started, let me look at you. Wait.
How can you look at me?
Because, let me look at you. Stop moving. No, not you. Stop moving. Wait, where?
Where are you? Ah! I have an awesome... I got killed by a guest. I got killed by a guest. Oh no.
Oh, crud. Come on. Also, guys... Oh, you still there? Aw, dang it. Dirt. Ah, crap. Well, since that happened, part whatever will be next later.